Here's your It's Okay to Worry assignment. So first, you're obviously listening to the instructions. Number 2, you're going to click the link to listen to Wimberly Worried being read aloud. If you were on Zoom this morning, you don't have to listen to it being read aloud again unless you want to. If you want to, that's perfectly fine. So after listening to the story, you're going to take a look at my example. And all you have to do is click the play button and it will tell you what my 3 examples are. So in your response, you're going to click Add Response. You're going to find your name and you're going to click View Instructions, and it says use the template to share about 3 things that make you worry. So you can either type something that you worry about. That could be your I worry about my family could be one. You could put that there. You could draw a picture of something that worries you. You can use an emoji. You can take a picture of yourself and explain what you're worrying about. Be creative. So whatever worries you, you're going to tell me 1, 2, 3 things that worry you, and then when you're finished, you're going to click the green check.